Hi, I'm going to introduce you this model AH7370 and how to use it. First, you fill the gas from the bottom like this. Then press the gas to the middle, and this bottom right here is called soldering. So you have to press it down and then push the fire in like this. And to continue the fire, just press the continue button to the right like this. Okay, and to adjust the flame size, just press this gas left and right. And also, this is hot flame. It also has soft flame. Just press here, turn like this. Soft flame, hot flame, soft flame, hot flame. Okay, and to turn it off, just press this continue flame button to the left like this. And also we have another gadget. This is for soldering iron. I'm going to show you how to install it and how to use it. This soldering combination, this one has this is soldering tip, and this one is hot blow. So first, I'm going to show you how to use the hot blow first. First, use a screwdriver to untie right here and put it in, install. Then screw this in tightly like this, and again press the gas in the middle, push the seal lock down, press the fire, and press the continue button to the right, and you can see the fire goes in like this way. And when this is catalyst right here is turning red, and when it is turning red, you have to blow the flame off by mouth like this. Okay, so the gas is off, the fire is off, but the gas keep going, and this is a hot blow function. Okay, so let me turn this one off. And simply, if you want to use soldering iron, just put the soldering tip back in like this. So let me show you how to do it again. First, press the gas in the middle, press seal lock, and press ignition button, continue the fire. Okay, and when you see the catalyst in the middle is turning red, then use your mouth to blow the fire off like this. Okay, so now it is ready for hot blow and ready for soldering. Okay, and to turn it off, just press this continue button to the left. Okay.